Yeah, people, JustFacts TV, and you don't know, come for go on a little info in every little topic. So here one now, the Jamaica Star headline: Gully Queens rips off man's clothes. Victim claims the button on his pants were set loose. The information goes like this: a man who claimed that he recently moved to the Ruthven Road area in St. Andrews said he was almost stripped of his clothing by a group of Gully Queens who robbed him recently. Roy Brown said that he was very upset that he got robbed, but the events that unfolded after was what took him completely by surprise. I was confronted by 5 or 6 men. They took my phone and wallet. They tried to take my clothes off. There was a struggle between me and them, and I had to run. My shirt was ripped off and the button on my pants was gone. My zipper was almost damaged. It was very embarrassing, he said. Where the people am I deal with it, man? Yeah, so I read some of the comments them. Some of the people must say, you never have no license gun for pop 2 shot under them caca. Boy, the next person I say, being who you are, but when you start robbing people, that's bullshit and wanna rape a man, it's too much. How the country get to this though? I don't know, how Jamaica reach a stage where man a rob man and a bust off man button off him pants and I try rape man and all them something there. Word of incidents in the past where even a man must say a jogging in the morning and man just throw him in a van back, take him away and rape him and all them things there. This no look good, people. And you know Jamaica is not a country that really tolerates certain things, so how we reach us so? As one other person them saying in the comment section, being who you are is one thing, but when you go take it to that stage the way you go violate a next man and jump in a next man's space, that is a no-no. So them things I need for fix up. I hope the police them just look into this and sort out what for sort out and get some justice out of them thing. Yeah, tell me say mankind can't walk freely now cause him a fair worry about a man a go dry him in a bush and bust off him belt buckle and all them things there. A loose thing that man. Jamaica need for find back itself. I don't know where the country gone, but you don't know, we just come for going a little update on that. Look out for many more updates. Wanna think about that, people? Comment below, tell me wanna think if the country really gone too far, or is this a normal thing we wanna hear every day when me not familiar with? I don't know. Comment below and tell me if this is a no-no, people. Don't just say no-no. Say that for go, brother. That for go. Yeah, people. I eat that. Until the next time again. I'm out.